Thanks for checking out the Blade Ops YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Blade Runner Systems E-Volve Navajo. This knife has a blade length of 3.5 inches and is that drop point with a flat grind and is M390 Steel. I really like how they kept it sterile with no markings or anything on this blade. Looks really nice and clean. Now this is a liner lock and runs on bearings, so it is really smooth. Closed length on this is 4.37 inches. Has this nice back spacer with a lanyard hole and G10 scales, which look really good on both sides of this knife. Has a nice pocket clip with some great retention as well. And the action is awesome, really smooth with those ball bearings. 8 inches overall, and this knife weighs 4.4 ounces. So really nice knife with good weight, some jimping there, and fit in hand is really nice and locks right in there. Again, runs on bearings, so it is just really smooth. And this is the E-Volve Navajo, and you can pick it up at Blade Ops today.